Hi folks, my name is Ken.Quick. Welcome to Guaranty RV. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2020 Winnebago 24D Navion. Great coach, great floor plan. Let's go inside, take a look around. Going to start back here. This has a rear bathroom. You've got storage right here, push button locks on all the doors. You can see in here they have the little table that plugs in and a couple of the pads for the front seats that turn around. Okay, it's all lit. Nice little vanity right here. Corner shower. Nice window in the back. Now here's the feature that really makes this coach livable like this with all the room. This is the Murphy bed. This drops down. You have a good sized bed right here. It's a little bigger than most of the other beds in the Navions. And when you don't want the bed, all you do is push a button. Comes right back up. Just like that. Got a couch. Got a nice refrigerator right here. Freezer on top, refrigerator down below. Slide drawers, 3 of them there. A little more storage down below here. Look at all the drawers here. 3 drawers right here. Regular gas burner and induction cooktop. Lots of storage up above. This coach is already equipped with a couple 100 watts of solar on it, and solar monitor right here. TV right above. Look at all the light that comes in here. Double sinks, stainless steel. Okay, big windows. These actually flip out too. You've got blackout here, and you've got the screen right there. You have a great big dinette. More storage up above. You even have these swing seats right here. So if you have more people come in, you can add another person sitting right here on the end. Great feature. No carpet in this coach. Got sleeping area up above here. Got a great cockpit. This is Mercedes, 6-cylinder turbo diesel. You're going to get 14 to 18 miles a gallon, and you will get it. Okay? Got all the bells and whistles on here. Let's go outside and take a look around. They really beefed up this door. This is a very nice door. Here's my favorite part. Look at that screen. Okay, walking around, we got full body paint, we got our awning up above, got storage here. All set up, ready to tow. Our slide out, topper on the top, electrical hookup, clean out underneath. Locking fuel area here for the diesel. Folks, if you got questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, please give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. Have a great day.